Do you really, really, really want to start a YouTube channel? If so, then check this out. Hey beautiful souls, my name is Adure and you're welcome to my channel, Adure Speaks. Today I'm going to be talking about how to start a YouTube channel even though you are super scared. Now, this is a sequel to my first ever YouTube video, and I'm going to try to insert the link somewhere on this video, okay? So you can see it. I did that yesterday, and well, today is today, and I just wanted to share that I have learned so many new things which I never would have learned if I never even started, okay? I've learned how to, at least I'm practicing on how to use a teleprompter. I've learned how to edit. There are so many things that I've learned from yesterday to today in a space of a few hours. I had to make this video today because I really wanted to talk about the importance of getting started. I just really wanted to emphasize on it because if I had not started yesterday, I would have still been worried about the problems of yesterday. Today, my problems are completely different. My challenges are completely different. These are things that I would not even have thought about if I had not started yesterday. If you go ahead and watch that video, you're going to see that it was like a spur of the moment decision. I had no makeup on. It was just so impromptu, okay? And I decided to do that and get it out of the way because I was so worried. I needed for my video to be perfect. I mean, I have always been of the school of thought that you have to learn. Like, mastery is an art. It's something that you don't just dabble into or wake up one morning and you suddenly have it. No, that's not the way it works. But even at that, I still wanted it to be as close to perfect as it could possibly be. And yesterday I decided that it was okay, that I was learning, and I just decided to go ahead and do it. And today I am hoping that my video is way better than it was yesterday. And I just wanted to tell somebody, if you're trying to do something, go ahead and do it. I'm just trying to emphasize on the need to do it scared, do it messy. It does not matter how you do it. Go ahead and get it done. Get it started. Get it started. Do it. Done is better than perfect, a friend of mine once said, and I totally believe that you do not have to be perfect for you to get started on whatever you're doing. And this does not necessarily, it's not just all about YouTube. It applies to everything and every area of your life that you're trying to get into. You're trying to do something new. Most of the time we have this knot in our stomach, like we're sweaty in our palms, we just cannot get it done. Go ahead and do it. Someone once said your first 10,000 photographs are gonna be messy anyway. So if you know they're all gonna be messy, go ahead and do it until you get to perfection. It just doesn't get thrown at you. Just go ahead and get it done. And you have to be okay with not being great today, because once you look around you, you're gonna find people that are great in what you're trying to get started on today. And what we fail to realize as human beings is that they did not start out great. They were messy when they started. They were all over the place when they started, just like you and I am. I am nervous today, but definitely not as nervous as I was when I made that video yesterday. And it just keeps getting better and better. But the thing is, you have to start. You have to be okay with not being a master when you start. It is okay to do it terribly. Just get it done. I don't know how many times I have to say it, but that's it. You do not need to watch one more video. No, you do not. And I know this because I watched thousands of videos before I started. And I say thousands because I am really serious. I watched thousands of videos before I started. But guess what? What I've learned from yesterday till today, you cannot even begin to compare. Having said that, if you do find this content valuable, please consider subscribing, as that will help me grow my channel. And remember to click on the notification bell so that you do not miss any video when I upload a new one. So what I was saying is this: another thing that people are really worried about is talent. Everybody wants to be talented. She's a talented singer. Oh, he's a talented footballer, but A great mind once said that perseverance is a great substitute for talent. If you have talent, or you're talented, if you do not work hard at it, somebody who is consistent is going to work you any day, and you can bet on it that they're just gonna outshine you. It's just natural. That is what persistence does. That is what perseverance does. So whether you're a talented speaker or not, whether you're gifted in what you're trying to pursue or not, honestly, coming from someone who, I'm not trying to, be like that, but I have come to understand that even if you're talented in something and you do not put the work in, forget about it. Somebody's going to outwork you. So just get up, decide to do this, and do it well. Whether you're talented or not, you still have to be consistent. You still have to put the work in. You still have to work on your mind, because at the end of the day, it's mind over matter. I am a solid believer in that. I do believe in the law of attraction. I believe that, whatever you think, basically, as a man thinketh in his heart, so he is, or his mind, wherever, that is who you are. So you just have to believe in yourself, okay? And you do not have to have it all together before you start. It's really important too that we talk about it, because most of the time we think everything has to be right. We have to have all that good stuff. Our lives have to be together. No, it does not. Life does not have to be together for you to start. Everything does not have to be in the proper places for you to start. It is not a requirement. You can start as is. You are good to go right now, right? You do not even have to finish all of this right now before you can go get started. I mean, yeah, that's to tell you how much I want you to start. Having said that, on the days that you do not believe in yourself, I am going to believe in you, because I know that you are an amazing human being. And just the fact that you are actually watching this right now, trying to figure out how you can get it done, that tells me that you're a purposeful person and you're willing actually to try it out. So if you're gonna try it out, go all the way. I'll be rooting for you. I'll be praying for you. I'll be sending you the highest vibrations that I can ever muster. Well, this has been Adure with Adure Speaks, and today we talked about how to start your YouTube channel when you are absolutely terrified. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, kindly like, subscribe, comment, let me know you're down there. And if you do subscribe, please remember to click on the notification bell so that you would know when I post new videos. And I need you to remember this: you are inherently valuable and you are unconditionally loved. Take care of yourself now. See you.